And here the Asia Original 5, black and red, Minijohncooperworks. Hello, what is up everybody? RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video, and for today's Asia Original review series, today we will be opening up the Asia Original 5 and Asia Original 6. We have the Minijohncooperworks for Asia Original 5 and the Chevrolet Corvette ZR1. So I don't really have Asia Original 7 and 8 with me for a sneak peek, but hopefully I will get it soon, and maybe I might update you guys on the Asia Original 7 and 8. Maybe I might do a community post, or maybe I'll post in Instagram, who knows. But still, today we are going to review these two cars and basically do a full-on review. So if you don't know already, you can get this Asia Original series from either your local stores like ToysReview or something like that, or you could go ahead and check out Takara Tomi's Lazada or Shopee online, so that you could buy them online and they'll deliver it to your house. But yeah, today we will be reviewing these two, and first of all, we're gonna start off with the Asia Original 5, which is a hot one, the Mini Cooper Minijohncooperworks. And I know many people like this casting, including me. It's such a nice casting, not gonna lie, especially when it comes in this color right here, this specific color. Now I do have this previously. I did buy it like a long time ago. I don't know, was it 2 or 3 years ago? I think it's in that dark green and white paint scheme. I think that's the only color. I'm not sure if there's more. I know there's like the convertible one. Was it? I think so. There was a convertible one and there's the normal one, if I'm not mistaken. But this one's basically the normal one, which I'm gonna show you right now. So here it is, the Mini Cooper Minijohncooperworks JCW Mini Cooper. And basically this just looks so clean. I really like it. So it's in this black and red paint scheme, which honestly it suits the car very well. Like, it's very cool and very nice. So yeah, it's very nice. I do like the selection of the car itself. Now it is very cool that they've made they've added a Mini Cooper to the batch, but I hope they won't like make another one maybe for the convertible. Hopefully not, because I believe there's more castings out there that could make a return, and basically in different colors, which I do really like, and this is one of it. And overall, this is such a nice car. Let's take a look at the car itself right now. So here it is, the Asia Original 5 Mini Cooper JCW, and as you can see, the side just looks so clean in metallic black. You have these chrome silver rims, wheels, which are quite small indeed. So you have a black and red paint scheme on this one. Moving on to the front, you have the gray headlights, which Tomica likes to do when it comes to them. They don't really like to put extra detail into their headlights, but well, at least they like make it gray so that at least it won't look funny or weird without headlights. At least I gotta give that credit to Tomica. So yeah, very cool. You have some red stripes on the hood. These are the only stripes, I believe, for the whole car. So yeah, 2 red stripes on the hood. And you have the Mini Cooper logo and this very big front grille, which I do quite like. By the way, this is like the older version of the Mini Cooper, so it's not technically the newer one, the electric EV one. So basically it still has its grille, which is very cool. I love their grille. The Mini Cooper JCW is very nice. So yeah, I forgot to mention this is the 2-door version, not the 4-door or maybe not the Countryman edition. No, this is like the regular two-door Mini Cooper JCW. And I forgot to mention, it has a fully red roof, which is very nice. I like that it really suits the car very well. Like the previous one that I have, it was in dark green and it had white stripes and a white roof, but this one has red roof and with red stripes, which is quite a nice touch. So for the back, you have the rear lights, which are not totally detailed, but still, at least they painted it red, which is kind of cool. And you have the Mini Cooper logo. Moving on to the base, Tomica, what's the scale again? 157. Okay, so it's not technically 164, but still, it's okay, I guess. And made in Vietnam, Minijohncooperworks, Mini Cooper JCW, and yeah, that's basically it. 2017. That's very cool. And yeah, the next one would be the Chevrolet Corvette ZR1 in this blue color. Basically, it's a recolor as well, similar to the JCW just now. And this is AO-06, so let's go ahead and open this one up as well. So basically we got another Chevrolet. The previous one was basically the white Camaro, which I did a review about previously in my last episode. And today we have another Chevrolet Corvette. I'm gonna show you right now. So I think I've never bought this casting, even in other colors. Like, if I'm not mistaken, this came in orange last time. Like, I never even bothered to collect this one in not the Asia original one, but like the normal main version, like the normal one. I believe it released in orange and also black, if I'm not mistaken, or was it gray? I'm not sure. And now it is in blue as the Asia Original series, because yeah, basically Asia Original is like a recolor of castings that I've released before, which I do quite like. And this one specifically, yeah, in this blue, very nice. You don't normally see Corvette ZR1s in this typical blue. Not even Hot Wheels, I believe. Hot Wheels has done their ZR1 before in orange, white, I believe yellow, I'm not sure. And there were a bunch of more colors, but I don't think they've ever released a blue version, which to me seems iconic, not gonna lie. Very cool. Let's go ahead and take a look. Yeah, I forgot to mention the ZR1 is in its convertible form, so no roof. So you have the wheels, which are covered with chrome accents, chrome silver accents, which are kind of cool. Nothing on the side or anything, very clean, very nice, empty. I don't know why it has no side mirror or anything. I'm not sure why. Maybe it really doesn't have it. So the headlights are basically the headlights are in plastic, so it's like transparent plastic, similar to the windshield, I believe, which is quite cool. So you have the front grille. I do not see any Corvette logo on the front. I don't know why. So yeah, interesting. It has no Corvette logo right there. Yeah, you have a bit of a bump on the hood right here. I believe that's like for air to come in, for aerodynamics, I believe. Very cool. Black interior, and yeah, quite interesting windshield right there. Very nice. There's the interior if you want to see it. Here's the other side also if you want. Nothing really much at the back right here as well, just that it has this spoiler. It's not really a lip, it's more to a spoiler. It's not that high. It's not extended or anything whatsoever. You even have the rear lights, which are not in red, surprisingly. So I believe they're covered in silver or gray, I don't know. Or is it transparent? I don't think so, it's transparent. I believe it's like in that gray or silver type of color, which is quite interesting. Yeah, there's the bottom right there, the diffuser. Very cool. Overall, very, very nice. And the base is in black. 2000, what year is this? Yeah, it's a 2018 casting and it's 1/64 scale. Chevrolet Corvette ZR1 made in Vietnam. And there you go, that is my review of the Asia Original 5 and 6, which is the Mini Cooper JCW and the Chevrolet Chevrolet Corvette ZR1. And hopefully I'll get to update you when I get the Asia Original 7 and 8. And I hope it would be great cars when it comes to Asia Original 7 and 8. I hope it's gonna be some great cars that are in awesome recolors. I do wish it were to be some decent looking cars. And yeah, just overall very, very nice. I love the two cars that is in 5 and 6 here. Overall very cool. Hope that 7 and 8 will top that off. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.